Hi parents, so today I will be talking to you about a free and safe website that you can use for your kids in different kind of movies, TV, books, games, podcast apps, and different kind of parenting tips that will help you, get in mind of what your children are watching or what your children are reading or doing. So for example, these are some books and movies that you can read about before your kids maybe read it, and you can see you can type in how old your kid is if you want to get like a plus membership. So for example, we're going to click on the Stranger Things. Parents say that the ages are 12 plus, kids say ages are 12 plus, so it is more mature. So through this website, you can find out different shows and what kind of, age level they fit in. Or so for example, another parent say that, the movie Thor is for ages 13 and up, but kids say it's for ages 11 plus. So you can do that with movies, some different books they have as well. So we can look at kind of book reviews before your kids maybe buy it. So you can really get an insight as to what your kid might be reading or might be interested in reading. So we can go, like an example, we can click on this Black Heroes book. We can see what kind of age range, although it doesn't have any reviews, it says the ages are 8 plus and it has 5-star reviews. So you can kind of look at your what you need to know as a parent and kind of about the book. And if this book had been uploaded for longer, you'd get more community reviews, and you can learn about the story. Is the book any good? And what to talk to your what to talk to your kids about, and different kinds of details on the books. So we can do another example. We can go to games and game reviews, because, as technology is constantly advancing, students are finding technology and, gaming a lot more. So we can go on, let's go to Pocky and Rocky. And like I said, you can still see the age range and the reviews on it. You can go down. My laptop would want to load. And just kind of see the reviews on it, and you can rate the game yourself. So yeah, this is just basically kind of a little overview. You can also get some parent tips on screen time, learning, social media, cell phones, online safety, race and ethnicity, and you can do different platforms as well and find out more information and what might be more age appropriate for your child depending on how old they are. So I hope this resource helps, and like I said, this is just one of many resources that you can use as well, and really determine what your child should be reading or gaming or watching based on their age range.